I should put that. No! Are you looking at my nails? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Diane and I am basically doing a spring cleaning today. I'm doing a big spring cleaning. I'm gonna be doing a big spring clean today.
The water you swim with the Luffy. I hit the day by tomorrow, she misses.
I have to do something else that I usually never have to do. I'm gonna put gas.
I know how to put gas, but I don't like putting gas, you know?
I don't think any girl should put gas. No! They need sanitizer. I don't like driving, but I do think it's important to get your driver's license, girls. Don't let that shit expire. Just force yourself. You never know when you're gonna have an emergency, or you need to drive yourself to the hospital, or you need a little bit of a shopping spree. I'm very lucky. Aaron likes to drive. He will drive me everywhere. The passenger seat, I just go there and I sit down and I'm driven everywhere. I don't expect it, but it just occurs. So. Next stop is the bank. Lashes is a must. So I'm gonna go take out that money. And I'm gonna feel like a brain girl.
Well, look at my passport. You see it?
Show me the money. Show me it. Yeah. Show me the money. Yeah, I knew that. I forgot to tell you. Oh my god. I forgot to tell you guys when I went to go put gas and I was getting the lottery. The lady was like,
"Are you old enough?"
And I was like, "What do you think I am?" Like, as if she's flirting with me or something. Like, hearing those words, I love that. She's like,
"Are you 19?
And I was like, "Do I look 19?" You don't think I look 19? Stop. Today's strictly chores. We're strictly focusing on chores, and that's what we're gonna do. I don't think I've ever been this productive in my life. Alone. Being productive is really hard, especially if you're someone like me that does not like to drink caffeine. I can have this much coffee and I'm like, oh, yeah. And that's another issue. I'm always moody because people like to numb themselves and they're all caffeinated and they're ready to go and they have their energy. So it's harder for a person like me because I'm just moody all the time. That's me at work. Because I don't drink coffee. When I drink coffee, yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. You have to sign up to exchange something at IKEA. What are you talking about? Yeah. That took way too long, and honestly, I have no energy now. So, I'm gonna have to do something I really don't want to do.
Hi there.
Hi, can I order a small iced coffee with no ice?
With no ice, sure.
I don't want to drink coffee, but I need to drink coffee because I'm so freaking tired. I'm so like so bop here. Thank you. Oh my god, I swear customer service is getting worse and worse here. Like, they're so rude. I am officially back home and we are gonna start cleaning my poo-poo drink. I think coffee's like poo-poo drinks. Like, I let it call it poo-poo drinks. It just makes you poop. I'm ready to get your drink. I'm spit. My brother was farted on camera.
Sounds like it hurts.
Guys, the love of my life is here. My princess, my princess. Okay, so one thing, right, my love? This is all clean clothes that I did. Sheets. I have vacation clothes that I'm already trying to put away so there's room. I have other clothes there, okay? Walk with me, walk with me. I have shoes, I have jackets, I have sweaters. Because we're 4 seasons, so I have to have everything. This is how my closet's looking. Like, when we bought this condo, this closet thankfully was already made. But then we went to Home Depot and we rented out this stuff. What do you call it? A drill? My vision is to have 2 jean racks because I don't know. I don't like the way it's being placed there, so that's my idea. I'm just gonna let Anne handle it because that's what boyfriends are for. I can do it. Just don't want to do it. Like, as you can see right now, it's just not accessible. Like, I try to sort it with baskets, it does not help. I'm working so hard, you guys. Everything looks like a mess, but it's hopefully my vision makes sense. I don't really know, but we're gonna try to reorganize everything because I just don't like the way everything looks. But yeah, I gave away so much clothes, and yet it still looks like this. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but the first thing I do before I clean is I become full-on senora vibes. So, my cleaning chanclas. I don't know if anyone relates, but those are it. Next, I get an outfit that I can just get dirty in, feel dirty in, wash it after. It's my cleaning outfit. What that really is just pajamas. Pajamas. Into senora vibes. In 3, 2, 1. I feel like that was such a shit transition. Anyways, guys, peep the fit. Let me show you guys. I really don't want to clean. Oh my goodness.
Bruh.
I don't even know why I let it get this bad. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna fold on my pants. I'm gonna spare you guys that because that's boring. I was gonna iron them, but I'm not. Like today I'm just keeping it simple, keeping it easy, and just at least just organizing this. So let's get to it. Okay, I obviously have way more to fill because I have so much more pants, but look how cute that looks. Like I feel like, okay, which pants do I want today? Believe it or not, I look so tired, but I have been cleaning for like 6 hours. Only my closet, and I'm not even close to being done. Like I created more space for pants and stuff, right? But then I didn't realize that I had storage here holding things. So it's like I don't have space for that. So it's like, I don't know. fact that I have to continue cleaning tomorrow is killing me. And I haven't showed you guys, but I've done like 8 loads of laundry. I don't know why I'm even making the bed because I'm literally gonna go sleep in it soon. Well, after shower and then I will sleep in it. But yeah, I literally have all different sheets right now. There's orange, there's red, there's white, there's gray. I don't know, but I usually like spraying my bed with perfume, like especially when it's clean, because I like going to bed and smelling something pretty. This is Britney Spears' Circus. I have been cleaning since 10. No, so I woke up at 7 today, and it's 2:38. I'm still waiting on 2 more loads of laundry. I'm just gonna clean the washroom tomorrow and finish the closet. I had to buy a few things, and yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower right now and go to bed. Good night, guys. Good morning. I'm so tired. I just got my nails done and I am obsessed. Look how cute they are. I love my nails. I gotta do my eyelashes now. I'm so excited. I love being a girl. I love being a girl. Like, I love it. Like, when I get to do my eyelashes, my nails. I wish I had money for toenails, but we can't afford that. It just makes me feel so pretty. Like, I don't even gotta have makeup on. Just that. Just look at my nails. Are you looking at my nails? And it literally took me a week to finish cleaning that closet because I was just so over it between work and just not having free time and stuff like that. Oh my god. But anyways, I can finally show you. It's not done, I would say, but it's better than what it was before. I have to deep clean it again. A second deep clean because I have to get rid of stuff. But this is my closet now. So it kind of looks the same, but we added more storage. Don't mind this, you guys. I literally just fixed it and I made a mess because we're packing to leave. And then now, this is the jean rack. My jeans, my work pants. Then these are all my joggers that I have here. And then I have some sweaters, I have Errands stuff here. All my dresses, all my purses, all my shoes. I still have to figure out this part, but the chair, the mirror, and yeah. I'm gonna close off the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share. And as always, love it, hate it, but just enjoy it. Bye, guys.